In this video, we will learn how to use QR codes to check people in for an event. Using a QR code is pretty simple. All you have to do when setting up your item is to make sure that you have enabled event check-ins on the item. Then when you are setting up your custom email for this event, your email trigger will be set to product purchase, linked to the product. And then in the email body, you can click to access the merge tag cheat sheet, scroll down to the specific product is purchased section, and grab the QR code merge tag. Then you can paste this anywhere in the body of your email. And when that email is sent, it will generate a QR code. Now, during the event, when you want to check someone in using that QR code, you will need to log into your GiveCloud admin on your phone. Once you have done that, you can simply open your camera on your phone, scan the QR code, and it will bring up the page in your admin to check that person into the event. Say this is for a general admission ticket. As soon as I scan that QR code with my phone, it will bring up this page and it will allow me to check this person in.